Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and my kitchen yet again. So today I'm making breakfast. I'm alone. I'm feeling a little bit of sad because my son is not around. When he's in school, he does stay with the grandmother to avoid all the commuting to and from. As I wait for the birth certificate. That's a story of another day, so that I can be able now to transfer him. Yeah. So today we are making breakfast, and you'll see a very simple yet filling breakfast. So stay tuned, and if you haven't, please do subscribe. Yeah. Then we're gonna put a tablespoon of oil. Then we're gonna take one huge egg. I'm gonna add some salt, just enough, and I'm gonna add some black pepper, just a little bit, and then we're gonna beat our egg. So make sure you spread the egg. So that's the egg. Then at this point, we're gonna take our chapati and we're gonna place it on top. So then we are supposed to flip it like so. As you can see, it's looking good. And then I'm gonna take our tomatoes. I don't know if you can see. Yes, you can see the tomatoes. So I'm gonna take my tomatoes. I'm just gonna pack them. This is one tomato chopped, yeah, thinly sliced. And then we're gonna take our cheese, little cheese, and then we're gonna just put it on top. And then we're gonna cover with the other side. And we're gonna let it cook until it's crunchy on the outside but mushy on the inside. So I'm gonna change the side. As you can hear, it's crunchy now. I'm gonna let the other side cook. So let's check. Yeah, I like how crunchy it is. So our breakfast is ready. This is how it looks like. So this is how it looks like. It's looking really good. So here is my breakfast.